and Karen are just heading out from Worlds. We didn't actually film a lot today because we just had a really lovely time in Worlds, didn't we?
No, it's like it was nice in there. We got some games in.
You got some games in. We had an epic battle.
Yes.
We had an epic battle.
One just out against me.
I just beat Karen. So yeah, we're gonna go on the Pokemon. Hopefully, we're gonna go on the Pokemon Sky ride. Even the thing's got like Pokeballs. That's really cool. And even like on the actual ticket booth, they got Charizard and Pikachu, and they got the. And this is the Pokemon. Oh, a long day. There we go. Yeah, hey, look, it's Pikachu. Wow, they never like do anything for Pikachu, ever.
No, and look,
Pokemon. And we just pointed out everything Pokemon on here. Oh wow, there's even like another poster up here. Oh, look at the different Pokemon. They're water type, ground type, fire type. I can see. As I said, it's bug type. See if we can get as many of the ones in. Would you count Lapras as an ice type? I see Lapras on there.
Lapras is pretty decent ice type, I'd say.
You're not just going to randomly be in there with a random tourist group. Oh no, the ghost type one is out of service. What sort of shenanigans do you think happen in the ghost types one? You see that again? I know, it's too scary in there.
I know we said about ghost type,
Yeah, Caroline, no. Psychic type, we got Mr. Rhyme. Here comes Mr. Rhyme.
What happens is when we get in there, someone's randomly in there already, and they're like, hello.
Someone did that once. Like me and my sister went in there. We just turned around. This random guy's like just walked in and went, "Hello." I was like, "I want friends." And it was like, kind of me and my sister kind of wanted to have a chill day, you know.
Oh my god.
It was kind of scary. It was like he just walked in. He was like, "I'm lonely." That's cool though. You can see. You better have Lulu. You do, yeah. Baker. Oh my god, we got Blue. We got Eevee in here. It's like, hey, remember the Pokemon sensor? Oh my god, they got the Pikachu I got when I went to Japan, I think the second time. The business Chew I called.
And we have lovely departures. We can go to many places in Galar. For some reason we go to Hoenn.
Why are we going to Hoenn? Shall we go to Hoenn?
Is that spoilers? Is there a mystery?
That's a mystery. I like how it's stuck on. It's stuck on. It's a nice touch. And there's Karen and Pikachu. And Karen the only one who gets Pikachu. And we got Pikachu in the sky. Charizard's up there.
Of course.
And oh, there goes. Which one's that one over there? We need Pokemon music. Way!
I do like it that they do Pokemon in the station, but
yeah,
a nice bit of ambience in this movie.
Yeah, this would have been like this would have been dun, 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 dun. That day at World because it looks like I only get one day at Worlds. Oh my god, there's like a pool over there. We should have gone in the pool, Karen.
We should have gone in the pool.
That would have been gorgeous, yeah.
Another time.
Oh yeah, that was. So wait, so they confirming that Gala and Hoenn are next to each other?
Yeah. Are we going to ride a cable car to Hoenn?
We're riding the cable car to Hoenn. I lived my best. Do you think I lived my best life today?
You did live your best life. You had a very good outcome out of it.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, the stage was good. I enjoyed watching matches on the stage. Yeah, imagine that gets really popular when it's actually the finals.
Today has been a lot.
Oh, who's that? Is that the fossil types coming over?
That is the rock types, yes.
Rock types, not fossils, because there's 2 fossils on there. You will never be able to watch. You'll never be able to quite watch Pokemon the same way again if you watch Higurashi. The lady who voices Totoko also voices Chikorita, and they kept her voice the same in the English version.
Yeah, no.
She voices her. You start listening to them together, you can tell it's just Totoko going Chica. Especially if you watch the Higurashi, like second Higurashi.
Oh no, don't.
Yeah.
That doesn't exist.
Yeah.
None of that.
No.
It's right. No. And green. green nut is the Galar representative.
Yeah. There's a drone over there. No, legit, there's like a drone.
Wow.
Someone's like taking extreme cautions to get home. Ah!
And down we go. I bet you're feeling relieved to hear that I didn't buy this. I'm glad I didn't buy the back.
Oh my god, I love this.
Thanks ever so much, guys.
So, no, we're here to scan in with our Oyster cards. We're actually coming over to transport out.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah. You can take a bit. Look, it's like the fire one. Karen's like, yeah. So my fire boys. We've got one more poster. We've got a Jigglypuff one. And Karen's pointed out they have to add the words, not a real show. I like that. And even here on the 10-year anniversary, they managed to have the Pokemon. And oh, here's a few more last ones. Tram stop from 500 Poké dollars. Not a real, not a real salon.
Oh, what a shame. I was hoping to take myself through something like that. It's got more for you.
And here we are, we're leaving this side, and this side is always not just one side. It's not just the half Pokemon's on. It's both sides. That was really fun. And it's like, I see that the staff, they have the little things so they put the Pikachu. It looks like they have Pikachu. It's like you're like talking to Pikachu. This is weird. So this is the bit of the, no joke, before we had the World Tournament, the first ever national Pokemon tournament was actually held here back in 2000. And I actually went with my family. And that's why I thought this would be a good place. It was back in 2000. Our good friend Chris Homer was in it, and he actually got to the semi-final. Unfortunately, I do not know the name of the fellow who actually won the entire thing. If you are, put your name down below if I want to know who did win the entire thing. Yeah, so it was like this first. Fortunately, the building it's in is no longer here. It was like in the school where they'd keep all the school kids normally. Because this used to be the Millennium Dome, didn't it? They had lots of, actually yeah, it was a little bit bare bones compared to what we had today. But probably the main event was back in over there at the Millennium Dome. In the middle, they normally used to have this big show, the sort of big stunt show. You had no idea what was going on, but it was spectacular, but you just had no idea what was ever going on. They actually did a launch event for Team Rocket. You remember the Team Rocket expansion to the original? Yeah, the fourth expansion to the Pokemon card game. They actually did the launch, or the UK launch, because it actually had been out in America ages. So I had a load of the cards already. And they actually did the UK launch here. And they did it in the middle. And it was terrible. I mean, okay, it was terrible to a certain point. And I remember it was like the coach president came out at the time, and she was like pretending to be Erica, and it was really cringy. Literally, I think she was like, oh no, Team Rocket have stolen it. So they didn't even hire someone to dress up as Jesse and James. You know when you go to Team Rocket launch, you're gonna think there's gonna be a guy dressed as Jesse and a guy dressed as James. Yeah, you know, you're gonna be some shenanigans. And yeah, it's like Team Rocket, you like help me cheer after 3, maybe we'll find them all. And no joke, so imagine the middle of the Millennium Dome. This legit happened, and everyone's gonna say you're crazy. This never happened. It just legit happened. There was like explosion. It looked like it was confetti. It wasn't confetti. Guess what it was? It was thousands upon thousands of Pokemon cards falling from the sky. I swear this is the first ever time this has been brought up online. It legit did happen. I can honest to God. And I think they were mostly Pikachus, like the reverse cheek Pikachus, which are now knowing how much rare those are. And I think I remember there's been a load of promo meow. So yeah, it's kind of weird that in a weird way it has come full circle. Pokemon has come home to its, or almost home as that's over there. So yeah, that was the cool. Well, that was just a cool story to end today's video on. So yeah, we had a really lovely time at Worlds. We may do a review of World at some point. But yeah, until then, make sure to subscribe to the channel, Anime UK, and take a British look at the world of anime and Pokemon. And yeah, we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.